mentioned snow earlier in our broadcast on Twitter. I was just looking at some pictures snowing in Philly.
Yeah, and it's snowing right now in portions of our viewing area as well. But I'm talking like Sullivan County, way north of the city. It's the time, though. We've all got the chance to see it. So let's get outside right now. Right now it's ice skating weather, and you're looking down on Bryant Park, but they have ushered the skaters off for the Zamboni to slide across and smooth out the ice. It's mostly cloudy. It's 47 degrees right now. What a difference. Yesterday, the 60s. Today, the 40s. A snow alert in effect for New York City. Goes into effect at 8 p.m. right through the morning hours. My headlines look like this. It'll be light rain tonight for most people. It will turn to wet flakes late. As far as accumulations go, in New York City, I got a big question mark there. I am slow to be convinced of this. Possibly, but definitely going to be cold out there. I think that's going to end up being something we can really count on in the city and everywhere else is the cold air. Snow, well, a little bit for some folks and none for others. I'll make some sense of it right now. There's a light rain that's falling. There's that big swath of snow off to our west, cutting right through New York State into central Pennsylvania and in our area. Christine was just asking about it, and she said that Philadelphia had some snowflakes flying around. Here we see it up around the northern fringe of Sullivan and Ulster County. It went from rain to some sleet, and now you're into a sort of a wet snowflake that is falling. So let me show you how it will all work out. By 10 p.m., all right, here we go. Liberty, you're down to 28. Temperatures are key. You guys know that. It can be above 32 and snowing, right? That's where the snowflakes are formed. At the surface, it's got to be below 32 for them to stick. Well, could start to stick a little bit at Liberty at 28, but we were so warm yesterday, I think it's slushy. And then you're looking at rain for basically everybody else south of that, but here we are, 2 o'clock in the morning. Could see some frozen flakes all the way down to places like White Plains at 32 degrees. Again, a chance for that to stick a little bit. And then you get down to the city, and it's just going to be hard because I think a lot of that not going to really make a big impact in our area. I think you'll see the flakes flying around. The time frame would be from about, say, 3 in the morning for New York City until about 5 in the morning. It's all going to be gone by the time you get to your morning commute by 11 a.m. It's looking pretty bright outside. How much snow do we think we could see out of this? Well, the most recent computer models are saying the city's going to possibly pick up a trace. Really, I don't think there's going to be much sticking at all. And then north of that, you're anywhere from, a trace up to an inch or so. Particularly watch northern Sullivan, Ulster into northern Litchfield. If there was to be an area that could see that 1 to 3 inch range, that's where it would be. Wind chills come Saturday morning. I talk about the cold really getting stronger out there. Look at it. It will feel like 19 in the city on Saturday morning. We will have our coldest temperature readings yet. You're going to put in a brisk wind. It will be rough out there. So there's your forecast, guys, right across the board. We're going to keep it on the cold side, at least in the 40s throughout. And again, the chance for that snow takes place late tonight. And then another little system for Sunday. Looks to be more rain.
You don't seem real impressed. I mean, you don't have
this one. Okay,
no sleeves.
Guys, hang with me on this one. This is not a roll the sleeves up sort of event. This is I call this a stormette, but it's the first one.
I'm just
Stormette.
teasing you.
I like that.
Thanks.